When designing sound effects, it's a good idea to start and to lean towards what might be the most obvious part of the sound. So for in this instance, it might be wood. So it might sound something like this. And that's good, but it gets pretty boring. There's not much happening. There's not much characteristic to the sound, and it doesn't really do it justice for what's happening on the screen. So what I like to do is to think about and come up with other characteristics that I want to have in my design. So for instance, I might want something like a ripping sound, a tearing sound, maybe some crackling sound, maybe even an explosion sound to signify the explosion of the wood here. But what's interesting is that all of these different characteristics don't need to be wood samples. You can actually layer other samples that have these characteristics in with the wood to make the final sound. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing in this video. So let's jump into our session and I'll show you exactly how I redesigned this sound effect.